guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing McDonald's today. Just seen literally an hour ago, they had a beefed up quarter pounder with cheese. They got the cheesy bacon jalapeno quarter pounder with cheese, and I just got the double. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm a little fearful of the heat, but I'm also a little intimidated because I'm not sure I'm gonna like this combo, to be quite honest. As you can see a little bit of it. It's never as pretty. It's dripping, so it's never as good as the picture shows. I do see some jalapenos on there. There's quite a bit of cheese. There's definitely bacon on there. But let's dive in and see what this thing tastes like. I'm hoping it's good. If you watch this channel, you know I like jalapenos, but I don't like a lot of heat. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna get here. I'm gonna turn this around because I don't think there's as much jalapeno on here as they originally said. So let's find out. Check it out, guys. See it? Let's get a bite. It is mushy. Wow. I'll be honest with you. I know there's jalapeno on there, but because I can see it. Well, there's like 2 little pieces of jalapeno. Well, that's a letdown. You see, I don't know if you can see it. That is a letdown, guys. 2 little pieces of jalapeno. I expect there to be quite a bit of jalapeno on there. That first bite was just like a quarter pounder with cheese with bacon on it. Alright, I'm going to go in and see if I can get some. Matter of fact, let me just scoot that on over. What a letdown. Is there something I'm not seeing under there? Nope, that's it. I'm going to get a bite of this with a piece of jalapeno, and it might be ugly. But I definitely got the jalapeno that time. Yeah. I'll set that down. Set that down and talk about this. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm just okay with that. I mean, if you like, I like a quarter pounder with cheese. I like a double quarter pounder with cheese. And I'm always good with bacon. Anybody knows that. But I guess I expected more. I expected more jalapeno flavor. And if you had some jalapenos on there, it might be really good. So guys, if you had this one, let me know down in the comments. If you tried this, I don't even know if this has been out before. You know how the restaurants do. They bring it out and it's something new and spectacular, then they'll go away for a while, then they bring it back out and call it new or whatever. But I don't know if they've even had this one out before, so shows what I know. But I'm a little let down. I'd probably have a different opinion had they had more jalapeno on there. The 2 little pieces, a big old burger like that, and you put 2 little pieces of jalapeno on it. That's me. My opinion, guys, nice try, McDonald's, but you can do better. You can do better than that. You got the profit margin. Throw some jalapenos on your jalapeno burger. Guys, thank you as always for joining me. I'm going to finish this and get back to work. And thank you as always. I'm enjoying doing these little review videos, and I'll do them as long as you keep watching them. So guys, until next time. God bless you. Bye-bye. I just kind of wet now. I'll tell you what. Bummer. I'm going to eat it.